Doesn't take very long looking on YouTube to find that people have a lot of problems running their diesel heater off of especially a small power station. And so many people have resorted to running off the AC side and using an AC converter to run their DC unit. The problem, and it works, but the problem with that is you use a lot of wasted power going from a DC battery in your power station, converting it to AC, or through an AC inverter, then running right through a converter to run back down to DC. You lose a lot of power doing it that way. And I'm going to show you something that I put together. What I have done is I have made this DC converter with this switch on it. And I'll show you here real quick, but I will power up this in AC, and then while it's running, just switch it to DC power and use DC power and save a whole lot of wattage from coming from this battery pack. So what I have here is a DC switch. It's a double pole, double throw switch. So essentially on this backside middle, I have the positive side of the AC converter, AC to DC converter. I have the positive side coming out, and then it runs, and when the switch is in this position, it runs over and completes this circuit, and then that runs to the diesel heater. If I switch this circuit, it then makes these two complete. It breaks this circuit and it makes these two complete. And this is the power coming from the positive DC plug. And again, this runs to the diesel heater. So I'm going to put this in AC. And I'm going to power up. So the AC side is the only part powered up right now. I'm going to pull, I don't know, 100 some watts probably through the AC side. My power's coming to my diesel heater right now through the AC side, and I've got 188, 190. I'm going to hit 200 watts. 210. This is a little power station. It only has 204 watt hours of power available. So I don't want to be taking this voltage from DC to AC back to DC again to run this. So I want to run it now. Once this is running, I want to run it off the DC side. So there's 220, 221. I saw 230 there for a second. And that's a lot of wattage to get these diesel heaters running. So now they're both plugged in, but power is only coming from this side. And I'm going to switch it to this side on the fly by just very quickly switching it to DC. Now I'm pulling power from the DC side. I'm going to shut the AC side off. And now I can save some power running only on the DC side. And I don't have the loss of power of switching to AC and back to DC again. Turn the AC side back on. and do a fast switch, which is hard to do one-handed. Diesel heater is not that temperamental on that short time, that little time that it's not getting power. It's just a microsecond switching from one side to the other. But now I'm back on AC and can power down. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. It's an easy project, and something that may solve you a problem of trying to run temporary or semi-permanent heat with a small power station.